Due to my second pregnancy, I gained so much weight and have hard time losing it. Recently, I've learned a way to lose weight naturally aside from regular exercise and eating healthy foods. I'm happy to discover INFITNITEA Slimming and Detox Capsule. Together with it, I drink lots of water. I lessen the rice and sweets I eat, and within 1 week of taking it, I lose 6 pounds. And the great thing about it is I don't experience excessive bowel movement. Aside from it helps to reduce weight, it also improves our digestive health. Acts as an antioxidant, regulates blood pressures, helps relieve stress and fatigue. It also regulates our blood sugars. One more great thing about it is you can give it to your child because it's made from 100% natural ingredients. What are you waiting for? It's proven and tested. Start your journey to a healthier, happier, and slimmer you. Thank you for watching.